guys, I promised to talk about aisatsu greetings for when you are leaving and when you're coming back, like home, right? So here we go. This is the difference between saying Itte Kimasu and Itte Rasshai and also Tadaima and Okaeri Nasai. Okay, ready? So when leaving home, the person leaving says Itte Kimasu, and the person watching you leave says Itte Rasshai. And when coming home, the people coming home say Tadaima, and the person greeting them says Okaeri Nasai. Here are the pages in the 3 main textbooks that we are covering that actually talk about this. All right, so here you go. In Japanese from 0, it's these pages. In Genki, it's these pages. And in Tobira, it's these pages. All right. So I hope that helped, okay? Itte Kimasu means I'm leaving. Itte Rasshai means, okay, have a good day, sort of thing, okay, not literally. And then Tadaima means, hey, I'm home. And Okaeri Nasai, we don't really have an equivalent, but glad you're home, okay? But they use it much more regularly. Have a good day, a great weekend.